Hey, lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sophia, and today we will unveil the ultimate treasure trove of elegance and style for you. The top 50 interior design ideas to make your kitchen look expensive. If you're ready to transform your kitchen into a luxurious haven without emptying your wallet, then you're in the right place. So let's enjoy these beautiful ideas to make your kitchen look expensive. All right, guys, we've curated a collection that goes beyond the ordinary, featuring chic layouts, glamorous accents, and ingenious storage solutions. From sleek modern designs to timeless classics, we've left no stone unturned in bringing you the best of the best. And guess what? This is just the beginning. We have a lineup of incredible content waiting for you, from budget-friendly makeovers to exclusive insider tips. Now, let me leave you with a thought that perfectly captures the essence of our journey today. In every kitchen, there's a story, and like any good story, it deserves to be told with style. So let's keep crafting those stylish narratives together. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. Your support means the world to us, and we love being part of your design journey. If you've enjoyed this eye-opening guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Until next time, happy designing. Remember, your dream kitchen is just a vision away. Stay inspired and stay fabulous. See you in the next video.